Welcome to Healing Vibrations and to my Reiki page. My name's Frances and I look forward to introducing you to this beautiful hands-on healing modality. It's the modality I first experienced back in 1999 when I was exploring healing, and I introduced it to family and friends, and not long after to new clients. If you're finding yourself at a challenging point in your life, at a crossroads, and not sure which step to take next, Reiki is a beautiful start to your healing journey. It helps you to find a greater sense of peace and calm. And many of my clients have said they've never experienced that feeling of peace and calm before in their lives. So it helps to support you on all levels, energetically, emotionally, physically, and mentally. And it helps you to cope more with the challenges of life. So please read the details below, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.